Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is 116th birth anniversary of Bhagat Singh. Nation marks the 116th birth anniversary of Bhagat Singh on 28th of September 2023. He was born in September 1907 in village Banga, situated in Banga in Lialpur district of Punjab. He was one of the greatest revolutionary of the independence movement and often referred as Shaheed-e Azam. Bhagat Singh was inspired by his uncle Ajit Singh, who fought against Canal Colonization Bill and was member of Ghadar Party. He founded Hindustan Socialist Republican Association and Naujan Bharat Sabha. He was known by pseudonyms like Balwant, Ranjit and Virodhi. He raised the slogan of Inqilab Zindabad in Central Legislative Assembly. He was associated with Lahore-Delhi conspiracy case, which involved killing of John Saunders and bombing of Central Legislative Assembly along with Batukeshwar Dutt. In Mian Wali jail, where he was kept, he led the strike demanding the basic rights for political prisoners. A special tribunal was constituted under emergency provision by Lord Irwin, which declared death penalty for Singh. Bhagat Singh was hanged along with Sukhdev and Rajguru on 23 March 1931. They were secretly cremated and ashes were thrown into Sutlej River.